How to request a refund for YouTube TV. If you need to request a refund for your YouTube TV subscription, follow these steps. 1. Determine your subscription source. Direct subscription. If you subscribed to YouTube TV directly through YouTube. Third-party subscription. If you subscribed via a mobile carrier or internet provider. 2. For direct subscriptions. Access the refund request page. Visit the YouTube TV refund request page. Click on the Request a Refund button, provide the necessary information, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your refund request. Processing time. Refunds typically process within 3 to 5 business days, but it may take up to 10 business days depending on your card. 3. For third-party subscriptions. Contact your provider. Reach out directly to your mobile carrier or internet provider for a refund. Their refund policies will apply, and YouTube cannot process refunds for these subscriptions. Important considerations. Cancellation policy. You can cancel or pause your membership at any time. Refunds or credits are not provided for partial billing periods after cancellation. Your access continues until the end of the billing period. Unauthorized charges. If you notice charges you didn't authorize, report them immediately through the appropriate channels.